Hi everybody, welcome back to Californication. I thought we'd do a quick video of going away on a trip, and we get asked a lot of times, what do we pack and where do we pack it all? And I'm going to show you some of the little hints and tips for packing up and some of the bits and pieces we take with us to make life a little bit easier. We're going away for one night, so we haven't got a lot in here, but it gives you some ideas of maybe what you could do if you were going to go away for a longer period of time. But yeah, we've got some storage cubes and I've got some other little tips of where I put stuff. So in terms of bikes, we've got the Atera bike rack, which obviously goes right down to allow you to gain access to everything in my sliding trays. We've got the toilet, we've got the gas here. The reason I keep the gas out is because you can't get to it once this drawer is actually in, but I don't tend to use it in the van anyway, so it's out there. For my cooking equipment here, which is in a box, which will take the whole thing out. And then in the back here, we've got all the sleeping gear, just some mats and bits and pieces to put underneath the awning. In the old saddlebag goes some cubes, small cubes, which takes underwear and pants, socks, stuff like that, and also the vents as well. And here we've got cooking equipment, so all at the back, toilet stuff, and then in here we've got another storage compartment, which has got some electronics, sheet in there. There's a fan in there. It's very hot at the moment. This is a heater, obviously, but it blows out cool air or just a normal fan. The bin, I've got a little plastic bin, and there's some more sort of storage at the back there as well. And then we're going to show you what we've got in the locker. So in terms of locker space, this is a pretty big locker, this one. We've got these large cubes, two of those large cubes here from Amazon. They're the basics ones, they're real cheap ones. And then we've got a medium one in the middle here. So this is only going away for one night. So this is 2 kids, 2 adults. So there's plenty of space there. And then I've got one more in here as well as a towel in there. And what we've got in here is the food stuff. So you can see a bit more. You've got just some basics in here at the moment. There's a lot more around the corner. You've got quite a lot of space around the side of these actually as well. And then we've got plates, cutlery, everything in here. And we have cutlery in here. What else we got? So yeah, then we've got the fridge freezer, which is pretty well packed at the moment. Loads of water, loads of drinks. Still lots and lots of room in there as well, so we've still got some frozen stuff to go in there as well for the barbecue later on. Just shut the door, but I tend to utilise all the space in the door cards for all the torches and whatnot, just to make as much space, as use of space as I can really. And on the other side, I've got loads of bottles of water in there, and there's some charger leads and whatnot in there as well. And then when we go to the front, in the pop-up sort of drawer bit there, I've got all my electronics and remote controls and things like that. And again, water's going to go in the side pockets, cleaning bits, and in front of the seats I've got storage there as well with some cleaning stuff. And again, same thing. So underneath these seats we've got games and other bits and pieces, and in here cleaning stuff. So everything's nice and handy packed away, and we're ready to go. Just got to get the kids ready. So we're always looking for different ways of doing storage. So I hope you've enjoyed this. Catch you in the next video. Enjoy the sunshine. It's finally here. I think we're going to get some good use out of this now.